Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of March, 2025, our system has classified SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.63. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of 4.78%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.68% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the horizontal trend downward. Breaks like this are often followed by swift and strong movements. Any correction back down to the break line at approximately $574.51 is considered a second chance to exit before a further decline. However, it is crucial to note that false breaks may occur, and the price might revert to the horizontal trend. A break on increasing volume is deemed more significant and reliable than breaks on low volume. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of 1.4% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.9% to 8.31%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 19.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 19.99% to 33.51% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $667 and $742.23. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline: SPY ETF price ended at $555.92 on Tuesday, after losing 0.83%. The SPY ETF price fell by 0.83% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, decreasing from $560.58 to $555.92. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.97%, with a day low of $552.02 and a day high of $562.87. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.46% for this period. Notably, volume decreased on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a positive indicator since volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 11 million shares, with a total of 86 million shares exchanged for approximately $48 billion and $6 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, and the lowest price was $493.86. Currently, the price is 9.35%, or $57.31, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 is experiencing notable volatility, largely driven by President Trump's renewed tariff policies. Reports indicate that the index is nearing correction territory, with a staggering 73% of its components trading at least 10% below their 52-week highs. This downward pressure is intensified by increasing investor concerns regarding economic policy uncertainty, particularly following Trump's announcement of a 50% tariff on Canadian steel and aluminum imports. On a more positive note, Supermicro stock recently emerged as the top performer in the S&P 500, showcasing pockets of strength within the index. However, year-to-date performance remains bleak, with the S&P down over 4.6%, contrasting sharply with the impressive gains reported by several Chinese stocks, which have surged more than 50% amid a favorable investment climate. In the short term, the combination of tariffs and economic uncertainties could lead to further declines in the S&P 500, potentially pushing it into a more prolonged correction. Meanwhile, analysts like Robert Rowe of Citi suggest that the index may stabilize around 6,500 by year-end, though this prediction relies on reversing current trends. As investors navigate these developments, sentiment remains fragile, with the potential for long-term shifts in market dynamics if economic indicators continue to worsen. Overall, the backdrop suggests cautious trading ahead, emphasizing the need for vigilance amid ongoing volatility. The following signals have been identified for SPY. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal reflecting the relationship between the two averages, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be some resistance at the levels of $572.70 and $596.92. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and since then, the price has declined by 9.28%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 15 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 10 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may experience significant declines in the coming days. Typically, this ETF is traded at a healthy volume, and with only minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is considered low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $10.85, representing a change of 1.97% between its high and low. In the last week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.08%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $576.86. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the ETF could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We have assessed this exchange-traded fund negatively, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the SPY ETF a good? We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.